How's your day, grade 9 learners? I am Teacher Evelyn. At your service, I will be presenting to you today some important details on Module 1, Quadratic Equation, Part 1. Let me share to you my screen. This is Part 1 of Module 1, Quadratic Equation. Quadratic equation in standard form is defined by ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Examples. Number 1, x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0 is a quadratic equation. The value of a equals 1, b equals negative 7, and c equals 10. Another example is 2x squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0, wherein a equals 2, b equals 3, and c equals negative 10. 3x times x minus 2 equals 10 is also a quadratic equation, but not in standard form. To rewrite this in standard form, we will multiply 3x times x, which is equivalent to 3x squared, and 3x times negative 2 equals negative 6x equals 10. In standard form, 3x times x minus 2 equals 10 is equivalent to 3x squared minus 6x minus 10 equals 0, where a equals 3, b equals negative 6, and c equals negative 10. Try this. You write in standard form and give the value of a, b, and c. Number 1, quantity x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 4 equals 0. Number 2, quantity of x minus 4 squared minus 25 equals 0. And number 3, 2x times the quantity of x minus 3 equals 15. All quadratic equation needs to be solved. In solving quadratic equation, we have to remember this question. What makes the equation true? The answer to this question will be the solution to the given quadratic equation. Solve this. X squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. We will use trial and error. Trial 1. We will substitute x with 1. So it becomes 1 squared minus 7 times 1 because x equals 1 plus 10 equals 0. Question. Is this true or false? Let us simplify. 1 squared or 1 times 1 equals 1 minus 7 times 1 equals 7 plus 10 equals 0. 1 minus 7 is negative 6 plus 10 equals 0. Negative 6 plus 10 equals 4 equals 0. And this is false. 4 is not equal to 0. Therefore, x equals 1 is not a solution of x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0 because x equals 1 does not make the equation true. Trial number 2. We will substitute x with 5. So that becomes 5 squared minus 7 times 5 because we try x equals 5 plus 10 equals 0. Is this true or false? Let us simplify. 5 squared is 5 times 5 or 25. minus 7 times 5 is 35 plus 10 equals 0. 25 minus 35 equals negative 10 plus 10 equals 0. Negative 10 plus 10 equals 0 equals 0, which is true. 0 equals 0, of course. Therefore, x equals 5 is a solution of x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0 because x, which is 5, makes the equation true. Trial number 3. We will substitute x with 2. Therefore, we have 2 squared minus 7 times 2 plus 10 equals 0. True or false? Let us simplify again. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. 7 times 2 is 14, so 4 minus 14 plus 10 equals 0. 4 minus 14 is negative 10, plus 10 equals 0. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0 equals 0, and that's true. Therefore, x equals 2 is a solution of x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0, because when we substitute 2 to x in the given quadratic equation, the equation is true. Therefore, there are two solutions of x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0, x equals 5 and x equals 2. These are the values of x that makes the equation true. Take note of this. Another term for solution is root of an equation. Therefore, we can also say the roots of x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0 are x equals 5 and x equals 2. Try this. Solve x squared minus 16 equals 0 during your vacant time, or when you feel bored maybe. Happy learning! Stay safe, stay healthy, pray always.